Alrighty guys, it's Travis here. Today I want to talk about the online tree aspect, or the online tree business, and what I do. You could do it a little different, like if you wanted to grow your own trees from seeds or from cuttings, and that's all fine and dandy. That's actually means more profit for you. But what I do actually is I just find the growers and I buy discounted trees because I'm buying them in bulk. And the minimum you could order is 25 trees at a time. So what I got here, I actually got some orders in there that I've got to ship out. They come to you just like this, with your bare roots. These are sassafras trees. They come marked. So these are 2 to 3 footers. So what I do is I take these 2 or 3 foot trees. This is just one of them. I've got some nice persimmon trees here. And basically, like, I get about 35 varieties of trees and sell them. Right now, I just ordered those because I had orders for them. And, you know, right now it's December 1st. And the tree business isn't not like booming like it is in the springtime or in the fall. Like these are basically orders for the fall that they just got them dug out of the ground here last month, and I'm just now getting to shipping them. But anyways, what I'll show you and I'll teach you about the bare root trees is teach you how to put them away, you know, keep them basically healthy until you ship them out to somebody else. And yeah, basically I'll teach you how to post them, what to post them on the internet, and how to make your ads and stuff to make these things desirable. See, a lot of people want these smaller trees because they adapt easier. It's easier to take a small tree and put it in the ground and it'll adapt to the area that it's that you plant it. You just gotta make sure you don't run it over with the lawnmower. But yeah, anyways, that's that. I hope this helps you, and we'll talk more about the business. Like it's gonna be booming again, Lord willing, this spring, like it always does. Every spring we sell all kinds of trees. Even throughout the summer you could sell trees, but I normally switch because I don't like shipping trees after June. After June 1st is normally when we'll quit shipping trees. So yeah, that's just some of the bare root trees. I'll actually show you over here. This is just one way you could keep other bare root trees. We did have a big cooler. If you could get a cooler, you could keep them in there and you don't have to bury the roots. But basically what I do is I bury these the trees in these barrels, and I don't keep the trees very long, so I put a little potting soil in these barrels, and it keeps them alive and healthy until somebody else buys them. So yeah, anyways, hope this helps. Peace out. I'll talk to you later.